What's going on, y'all? It's Every Penny Counts, and I want to welcome y'all to my first edition of New Money Maker Mondays, all right, where I basically, every single Monday, I bring you a new site or a new app, a way for you to make money, a site or app that you can definitely throw in your routine to make even more money, all right? That's what I'm about to do. So every single Monday, look out for my videos. It's going to be a new site I haven't brought to y'all, a new app, just so I can just continue to show you guys that there's so many different ways you can make money out there, all right? So on my first edition, I'm going to bring you Paidviewpoint. All right, now the link's in the description. Sign up for a bonus. On this site, every single survey you take is at the very least 10 cents. All right, now you see here my balance. I got $8.01. And you see my trade score is 77.92. All right, now the thing is, the best trade score you can get on here is 10,000. Now every time you take a survey, your trade score will go up. And another thing about these surveys is that on every survey you do on Paidviewpoint, you cannot get disqualified for. So you see here, it says I have one survey waiting. I take that survey, I can't get disqualified for it, all right? So what I'm going to do on this video, I'm going to actually do this survey live for you just to show you how quick they are and how easy they are to do. Like I said, you get 10 cents for every survey. Every day you're going to get at least one survey, okay? So at the very minimum, you're going to make at 10 cents. Now the thing is, with these surveys, you have to answer them honestly. I mean, like I think you should do that for all of the surveys, but for this one in particular, like whatever your demographic is, make sure you have it correct, because when you do these surveys, they're going to ask you questions that are really geared to your demographic. So they'll be able to tell if your demographic is something you put, like say for instance, you were 24 on your demographics, but when they ask you a survey, you ask on this one right here, it asks am I 31 years old, or am I 30 years old, or am I 21 years old? If I put I'm 30, and then in my demographics I have 24, my trade score could go down. Okay, so they know I'm not honest. So you want to be honest on these, and it's really not hard because these surveys are very quick. All right, so I'm gonna just go through and answer these surveys. Are you 48 years old and your career is legal? No. I'm 30 years old and my career is other. That's what I put on my demographics. So go to the next one. Bam. Am I a Star Wars fan? No, I'm not. Go to the next one. How often do you use Granberry laundry detergent? I actually use this, so I'm gonna put weekly because I wash clothes weekly. Bam, right there. Do you like to stay at resorts on vacations? Yes, I do. You see how easy these questions are? These questions aren't difficult to do at all. That's why I'm doing it for you live. What is your preferred brand of wet razor? Let me see. I just put the ones that I know. I know about Gillette. I know about Dollar Shave. Scroll down for the rest of them. I guess I can put store brands. They have store brands out there. Next. Which brand do you never consider buying? Put that Vino. I don't know what. Well, I'll put Bevel. Do that. Now these are just regular questions on a typical survey, so you don't really, these aren't questions that will be in your demographics, but this is just something they would ask you. Go to next here. Which of the following do you currently use? I use lotion, face scrub. Let me see what else they have here. I don't really use too much of that other stuff, so I'm just gonna put next. Which of the following statement do you most agree with? Convenience is more important than having close shave, blah blah blah. I'll put the first two. Go down. I'm just gonna hit next. Do you purchase beer to drink at home? I really don't drink beer at home. I do, like, I'm really more of an alcohol, like liquor type guy, but I have bought beer before, so I'll just put yes. For when people come to my house, they like to drink beer. So when is the last time you purchased a set of Lego brand toys? Not within the last 12 months. I have not remember the last time I bought Legos, so put next on that one. What is your insurance carrier? Mine is Allstate. I don't see it on here, so I'm putting NA. Go next. Which best describes the career that you are currently active in? And I'm in none of these. So click next. How often do you run a jog a week? I run a lot all the time. I go to the gym, so 3 more times a week. And now they got me kind of answering more questions. Think about a face wash or scrub you prefer. Do this one. This one. This one. I'll do this one. See, now just throwing me. I mean, this is a regular survey, guys, right here. Just like you got to be careful with the demographic questions, but they've seen it all really be at the beginning. So now I'm just on a regular survey. I'm just doing it for you live just to show you that you can never get disqualified for this survey. I go here. I'll go here. I mean, this is easy. I mean, it's not difficult at all. A lot of surveys that have you answering all kind of crazy questions. This is just saying pick a picture. You know what I'm saying? They have easy surveys on here. Nothing too difficult for anybody. Thinking about face wash, which one do you prefer? So at the bottom, I'm gonna do like that. You see here, 11 cents. Every time I answer a question, you know, I'm seeing my balance at the bottom. So that's very cool that you see where you're at in the survey and what kind of money you're already making. All right. Like that. Wish to follow best describes your facial hairstyle. I got a mustache pretty much, so I'm gonna say, well, no, I got a beard. I mean, a mustache on, yeah. Where's that? Mustache on like that, but something similar, I guess you could say. And the survey is completed, and you see there you earn 58 cents. You see it there in my balance. So you saw I went through that whole survey live for you, and I didn't get disqualified for you guys. So it's that simple. Every day you will have a survey on here. At the very minimum is 10 cents. And every survey you take, like you saw at the beginning of this video, it said survey waiting. Take the survey because you can't get disqualified for it. But make sure when you take it that you complete it all. You know, don't go do something real quick or whatever, because these surveys don't take long at all. You saw that took less than 5 minutes. So y'all gotta get on this site, Paidviewpoint. The link is in the description. Sign up, get that bonus, and start making money. You gotta add this. I mean, you saw I earned 58 cents just that quick. So this is a site that I get on every day. I at least do everything they have. For right now, I don't have any surveys, but I log into it. Like, you know, every time I get a little free time, I go back. Oh, they got any surveys for me? You do it real quick. They don't take that long, so it's easy to knock them out, and it's really easy to get your account up. All right, now in this site you can cash out at $15. You can do PayPal or a check. I believe that's all the options they have. They might have some more, but that's usually what I do. And it's just that simple. And get your trait score continue to go up. You see right now I'm at 7903. Before I think it was like 77 something. So just continue to be honest with the demographics. Just do what you got to do and make money with this site. All right, I mean, it's just that simple. You saw I did it live for you, so you saw you won't really have any troubles with it. They're very easy questions, and it's just that simple. All right, so sign up, links in the description, get that bonus, start making money with it, add it to your routine, and always remember, every penny counts.